what's up? Chris here. And today we're going to be learning how to draw a medieval percussion musical instrument. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a circle. A little narrow, so we're going to start from here and we're going to come and go like that. Okay. Then we're going to draw a line down and another line down, a little longer, and then we're going to round off the end. Okay, now we're going to put a line here, a little faint line, we'll put a dot. Now we're going to take this and we're going to do some decoration. After all, it is a medieval percussion instrument. And there you go. The ups and downs. Put some gems in there. And me and my diamonds. Ah, these crazy diamonds. Okay. Put some diamonds around that side too as it's going around. Finally, a drumstick. We're going to put it right here. Draw that like that. Are. There it is. I'm Chris, and this is how you draw a medieval percussion musical instrument.